Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So if you were fortunate enough to get your hands on the TCL 20 Pro 5G, now you'll be fortunate enough to get your hands on the Tudia Merge case from Tudia. Thank you to Tudia for sending these out to me to check out. Today is July 12th and these released on July 15th. So they've got all the basic colors, but this new indigo blue color is absolutely fantastic, folks. And then this is one that you probably should consider if you're wanting something different. They basically removed that powder blue color and changed it with indigo blue, and I really like how this case looks and feels. And I've actually tried all these on. I've been using these cases for a little bit. So you get the classic Tudia Merge case. It is officially a two-piece case, but you don't need to pop it apart. You've got the Tudia branding on the inside, designed in the US, made in China. The shock absorbent little pockets that you have almost all the Tudia Merge cases right here. This has to be their most popular case because it's a heavy-duty case at a low price, but not too bulky. And that's what I like about the Merge series. So you've got all the ports and cutouts that are going to be lined up perfectly for the device. Now, if your device has wireless charging, this case should work with that because it is plastic and it's thin enough to where it can make it through to wirelessly charge your device. I do have the snap-on, the suction cup wireless charger. I'll try that, but whether that'll work or not, it definitely works directly against the phone, but I'll try it with this case as well. But wireless charging should work depending on which wireless charger you have. So yeah, with plastic cases, it'll be fine. So you've got the cutout for your camera there. You got your volume rocker and power button, then you got the smart key button over here. So let's put on this indigo blue on the Pro model here. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. This is just a beautiful thing. So like all things here, you've got with the Tudia Merge, you've got a huge lip on the top and bottom. So when you lay it down flat, you'll be fine with it not touching the surface. On the back here, you can see the camera cutout is nice and deeply recessed now. It was already flat, but now it is deeply recessed because of that flat camera surface. I'm checking the volume rocker and power here. Looks like it's going to be good to go. Now let's snap on that wireless charger that I told you about. And let's see if it actually will charge this device through this case. And it does in fact work. So there you have it. So if this wireless charger can do it, pretty much any wireless charger can do it, I can tell you, because it's not really sucking to the device to the back of the case too much, but it is transmitting through in order to get that wireless charging done for you. So that is a huge plus right there. Now we're going to go ahead and try on this black model as well. Same case, different color, as some of you guys might. Black is a good color. It goes with everything. And this is like not a very dark black. It's almost like a really deep charcoal gray. But it's that matte, soft touch matte feel on this case that really brings it home. And the way this case feels is just absolutely fantastic, folks. It is a great feeling case because this phone is so narrow. Now you do have some grip along this part of the case right here, so you can go ahead and it won't slip out of your hand when you're using it. And it just feels good. This is just a great feeling case. Feels really good. So I wanted to show you these two beautiful cases here and these different colors here. Again, shout out to Tudia for sending these over, because these the recording of this video, they're not officially released yet. If you go to the website, I'll link it down below. You'll be able to grab yours on July 15th, 2021. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.